Alright, so this is the demo of Nuggets, which is a news summarization application built using Python in the backend, using FastAPI, and in the front end I have used React and TailwindCSS. So first things first, let me load the website in my browser. This is the website. This is what the website looks like. The nav bar to get started. So we have not added authentication yet, but this is the hero section. This is our features. These are the categories you can stay updated from, and it is a bite-sized news summarizer powered by AI. We have used Groq for this. So first of all, what we were thinking is to add to use the API to fetch the news. So we searched for APIs, but we couldn't find any free API or any API, news API, which will give us relevant news and up-to-date news in the Indian context. So what we did is we went to news portals and we looked up their RSS feeds, and we fetched the news from the RSS feed, the latest news from the RSS feed, and we used Groq to summarize it, and also from the summary create a title from the summary. So that is how we did it. And we also cached the responses in Redis so that the API cost is reduced. So let's say if a person searches for tech news for the next 1 hour, all the tech newses will be cached. All the tech newses in the first page will be cached, and if someone else searches for tech news, they will get the same thing without same catch thing without hitting the API again and again. So let me just show you a quick demo. This is the um, Python backend using FastAPI, and this is the Redis CLI. So let me go to daily nuggets. So these are all the categories present here. So sorry, the recording got cut off. So yeah, if you click on technology, you'll get to see all the articles related to technology. It might take some time to load up the first set of articles, then it's smooth. Uh, if you go to inspect and if you go to console, you can see categories fetched. These are the four kind of categories that we have right now, and it fetches directly from the RSS feeds of some selected news portals. And we are trying to add more, and we also trying to set up auth, and in auth they can select what are the news portals that they want to get news summaries from, and we'll fetch it directly from their RSS feeds, right? You can also see it on our GitHub. And these are the categories, these are the articles fetched, right? These are the articles fetched and passed as object. If you go to India, you can see all the news articles related in India, and you can see this is so fast because it's cached using Redis. For the next 1 hour it's going to be cached, and after 1 hour it's going to be removed from the cache. So yeah, this is how you can see cache hit for category response India 5, and there are 5 articles that shows. So there are limits. So I'm recording this using I have used the free API of Groq, and uh, I am pulling all the summary from RSS feeds. There are no API for news articles, especially in Indian subcontext. So what I did is I pulled the news articles from the RSS feed, and from there I have used Python um, newspaper 3K library to fetch the news, to extract the news, and from there I have also used Grok because there was a mismatch between the title and the summary. So to fix that, I I created the summary of the content from the fetched content using from RSS using Grok, and I have also generated the title from that summary using Grok and used it as a title. So newspaper 3K to extract the HTML content or the rich text content from the news articles, and from there I have used Grok to create a summary, and I have used Grok to create a title out of that summary, so there's no mismatch. And also the image is from the RSS feed, so you can see all the images are very accurate, right? So yeah, this is the demo of Nuggets.